I want my glasses to be unique. My girlfriend loves artists. And I need a conservative pair because her parents hate artists.
Get up to 40% off a second pair of glasses. Schedule your eye exam at pearlvision.com.
Toyota's family stretches to every corner of this country. So you can trust us to be here for you. As we remain committed to supporting our community. Because the Toyota family is stronger together. This is our pledge. We are here for you now and in all the better days ahead. Toyota.
I'm Dr. Howard Zucker, New York State's Health Commissioner. As we see the number of cases of coronavirus grow in New York State, event spaces where large numbers of people gather may need to be temporarily closed. The goal is to reduce the number of cases, which will reduce hospitalizations and deaths. Please know, we take these measures to protect New Yorkers, especially the elderly and people with underlying health issues who are the most vulnerable to this virus. We are working 24/7 on this evolving situation, so stay informed.
Turn to 10. Turn to the News 10 NBC First Alert Weather Team. This is WHEC TV, proudly serving Rochester. News 10 NBC Today starts right now.
6 a.m. this Monday morning, following breaking news from overnight, a person found dead in Rochester at an apartment. Now police are calling this suspicious. We've got more video from the scene and updates from investigators.
Also breaking, a new case of the coronavirus has just been confirmed. The patient lives at a local nursing home. A live report on what we know right now and what's being done to protect other seniors living there.
And there's help on the way. More support is coming to New York, the hardest state in the U.S. by far. What state and federal leaders are promising to try to curb the pandemic.
And businesses coping with coronavirus, how restaurants are surviving and how you can help. It is Monday, March 23rd, 2020.
But first, let's go right to that breaking story from overnight. Our top story at 6. Rochester police are now investigating a suspicious death. Officers got the call responding for a person found dead at the Parkview Apartments on St. Paul Street early this morning. Our crews went out there and saw several officers on scene, as well as the medical examiner as well. We have reached out to Rochester police investigators to find out more. They say an update will be coming out later this morning. Turning to the coronavirus, it continues to spread over our community.
Here are the latest numbers. Monroe County has 68 confirmed cases. 11 are in the hospital. Nearly 300 people are under mandatory quarantine. Wyoming County confirmed new cases over the weekend. 2 people living in the skilled nursing facility have it. The Department of Health is speaking to people who may have come in contact with them. Steuben County also confirmed its 4th case. Also breaking this morning, a patient at St. Anne's Nursing Home in Irondequoit has tested positive for the coronavirus.
The medical director says the patient remains in isolation along with others living on the same floor of that senior home. Lynette Adams joins us live at St. Anne's near 104 and Portland Avenue with the breaking details this morning.
That's right. The medical director here posted a message on St. Anne's website to staff members as well as family members of other patients saying that person resides on the 9th floor. St. Anne's is a 388-bed skilled nursing facility. The message from the medical director goes on to say employees who had direct contact with the person will be contacted by employee health. In the meantime, staff who worked on that floor after Tuesday of this past week have been advised to check their temperatures twice daily and monitor for any signs or symptoms of COVID-19, such as cough, fever, shortness of breath, runny nose, or sore throat, and to stay home if so. The message says St. Anne's has contacted other patients on that floor as well as their family members. St. Anne's, like many nursing facilities, have restricted outside visitors, and for most patients and everyone who enters the building, they are screened. Certainly, we will keep an eye on this developing story. We're live on Portland Avenue this morning. Lynette Adams, News 10 NBC Today.
Thank you, Lynette. This comes just hours after Governor Cuomo called on the federal government for more aid.
News 10 NBC's Andrew Hyman has a look at more help that's on the way to New York.
We've signed what we had to sign, and it's been activated.
And now with President Trump's approval, New York State will receive some federal help as part of an emergency disaster declaration in the state. Under this guidance, the Federal National Guard will now assist with coronavirus-related relief.